what happens when one runs into another. We'll go around it. It's gonna pass it, right? There we go. Probably so confused right now. It's like, what's this other mower doing here? Come on, pass it. Come on. This is pretty cool. It's gonna pass it, right? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Little stall there with the H220, and it did it. BrennanLandscapingInc.com, 518-346-8266. All your robotic lawnmower needs here. This is the H220, the LiDAR unit. Also has network RTK, half-acre mowing capacity. And then here, this is the X430. All-wheel drive, 40-degree slope, 17-inch cut. And this style mower can mow up to 6 acres. And this is a 1-acre unit. And there's an 1.5 acre, 3 acre, and 6.